Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rohit. Today we'll talk about a new integration called Telegram integration. How we'll do the perform the Telegram integration, we'll talk one by one. So this is my Telegram account and here you can see this is my groups called ServiceNow Snow Expert Rohit. So this is my Telegram group. What I'm going to do here from the REST API or from the Postman or from the ServiceNow instance or anywhere using the API, I am going to send the message inside these groups. So what are the steps I have to be need to be taken care to send the message? I'll show one by one. So very first thing is in your top site, I opened this Telegram in web.telegram.com. You can open this Telegram in your mobile itself also. There is no issues here. So very first thing is that what you have to do, you have to type in your search called bot further. So bot further is, if you see, this is the bot further account here, and this account have a one tick mark. It means that this account is a verified account. So in this bot further, using this bot further, you have to first create your own bot, and then using this bot only you will be able to send the messages. Okay, so what I'll do, I already searched that and I already done many times, so that's why this account is visible in my profile. If you don't search or if you are trying very first time, go ahead and here search with the bot further. You will be able to find this account. Just see the images and then just note it down. This has to be the verified account, otherwise your account might be misleading. So very first thing is that what I have to do here in this bot further, I have to type message called hi. Once I type hi, you will be able to see there are many options available here in our case. Okay, bot is automatically respond to me the many options here. What I have to do here, I have to just click the new bot here. Once I select the new bot, I have to choose the one name for the bot. So what I'll do that here call Snow Expert Chatbot. Once I put the name, this is my the bot name, and then again what I'll do, I go and then I have to put the bot name, the user ID for that bot. So I'll do that Snow Expert Bot. So you can see the last what should be the start last what should be bot. So I'll do that Snow Expert Bot. Once it is done, it's saying that congratulations, the bot is created. This is my bot token for the timing. I have to collect this bot token key. Okay. Now, what is the next step? So this bot is ready and using the API, I can send the message. Okay. But before that, what I have to do, I have to add this bot in my uh, in my that chat or in my groups. So I'll go to these groups. This is my groups, which is all the technical updates come here in this group. You can get this group link in my description box. So what I'll do, I'll go here and then here I currently I have 51 subscriber. I have to add this user. This is another user that we have created. This user needs to be added as an admin. So I'm doing from the mobile. So I can't do from the web. So I'm doing that step in the mobile. So what you have to do in your groups in mobile, what you have to do, you have to copy that ID and here you have to click here. I mean, in this top, you will be able to see one options called members in your there in that administrator. You need to add one admin and that is nothing but your profile. So once you add that the profile, the new admin will be added in your groups. So that's it. Now what you have to do, you have to open this Telegram official website, and from here what you have to do, you have to go to this make a request options copy this URL and copy and paste in my new browser, and then collect my token that I have received for this one. So I'll copy this token from here. This is my token, and replace with dummy token. So after bot, I'll put this token here. And now what I'll do, instead of the get me, I'll change that to here. If you search with that send message, so if you search with the send message, you will be able to find this is the method. By that we can send the message. So I'll replace, instead of get me, I'll put the send message. I'll copy this method name send message and then paste here. Now I have to pass the message as a parameter. For that, what I have to do here, the very first thing is the chat ID. So I'll copy this chat ID here. I put a question mark chat ID, and where I need to send the message. I need to send the message in my Snow Expert group, Rohit, in this channel. So I'll go here. And then scroll up, copy this user ID, and then paste here. So this is my user ID, and I'll put and sign, and here what I have to do, another thing is that text. So what message I want to pass here. So I'll copy this key and then put here, and equal to, I'll put that hi, this is API testing. You will get videos, Telegram video soon. So this message I will put and then hit enter. And you can see it's written OK equal to true, and then it's have the message ID is 46, and these all the details. And if I go back to my channel, you can see this is my message that I am sending from the API. So that's it for today. These things can be done in your in if you are using any application. Even in that application, you can use that. So now you can see that this is the message we are getting, and then in the top, basically it's have the date and times, and then this is the end point we are hitting. I mean, it's, if you see here, the channel ID is the Snow Expert Rohit, and the text, which is actually convert to the encoded code, and then this is how the endpoint is looks like right now. So whenever you are using in your, if you're using in your API, or if you're using in your application, it must to have that change to that encoded format. Like I type the hi, this is API testing, it's converted to the encoded format. And where it's pasted, basically where it's sent to a channel, and the channel name is nothing but Snow Expert Rohit channel. It's sent that. You can individually also send a message if you know that user chat ID. You can even send the message individually. There is no issues on that. So now, even if you copy here this endpoint, I'll copy this endpoint and go back to my Postman. So this is my Postman. I'll paste that. Once I paste that, you can see it's segregated into two parts. One is the chat ID, another is the text. And now if I click the send, it will be send the message. But I'm not going to send that because it will be people will be read with the same repeated message. So that's the way you can send the message. If you have any question, let me. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment sections. We will actually implement these functions or this method in our ServiceNow instance even. So in next video, yeah, also you can see this this bot I'll delete. So if you are trying to access this token, you won't be able to access the token anymore. So I'll delete this token after this video. So don't try that one. If you have any question, just let me know in my comment sections. Thank you very much. Have a great day.